This is the Waterfall Stitch. It is a 6-row repeat worked on a multiple of 6 stitches plus 3. In this little sample, I'm using Lily Sugar and Cream on size 6 needles, and I have 15 stitches on my needles. So the first row, which is actually the wrong side of the fabric, you're going to start by knitting 3 and then begin your pattern repeat. And the pattern repeat is purl 3, knit 3. So that's pretty simple to start. Okay, row 2 of the pattern, you're going to start by purling the first 3 stitches and then begin your pattern repeat. And the repeat is knit 3, yarn over, purl 3. Knit 3, yarn over, purl 3. Row 3 of the pattern, you're going to knit the first 3 stitches, and then begin your pattern repeat. And the repeat is purl 4, knit 3. There's my 4 purled stitches. Now knit 3, purl 4, and knit 3. Row 4 of the pattern, purl the first 3 stitches, and then your pattern repeat is knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, purl 3. Let me untangle myself here a little bit. Okay, row 5 of the pattern. We're going to start by knitting the first 3 stitches. And then begin your pattern repeat, which is purl 2, purl 2 together, and knit 3. Purl 2, purl 2 together, knit 3. And the last row of the pattern, start by purling the first 3 stitches, and then begin your pattern repeat, which is knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 3. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, purl 3. Okay, and you would just repeat those 6 rows for the pattern.